In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a balance sheet in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, being able to generate a clear snapshot of your company's finances is crucial. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Xero website. You can do this by typing Xero into your preferred web browser, and you'll see the Xero homepage pop up. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a login link. Give that a click. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email and password. Make sure you're using the email and password associated with your Xero account to avoid any hitches. Once you've entered your credentials, click that login button and you're in. Now that you're logged in, let's find the reporting section. From the Xero homepage, go to the taskbar menu located at the top. You're looking for an option labeled Reporting. Once you spot it, click right on it to navigate into the reporting area of your Xero account. Inside the reporting section, you need to search for Balance Sheet. This is where you'll generate the report we're looking to create today. Once you find Balance Sheet, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring you to the next phase where significant customization happens. When you arrive at the Balance Sheet page, the next step is to set your reporting period. Here, you'll define the time frame for your balance sheet. This could be a month end, a quarter end, or a year end period, whatever suits your accounting needs. Select the date or range that fits best for your purpose. After choosing your desired reporting period, look for the More icon. Clicking on More will unveil additional options where you can tailor your report. Here, you can choose to show comparative periods, include sub-accounts, or decide between cash and accrual accounting basis. Select the options that best reflect how you want to analyze the data. Once you've set these options, your next stop is the Update button found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Update to refresh the balance sheet report with your chosen configurations. Now, with your balance sheet updated and ready, you're almost done. Look towards the bottom right of your screen for options like Save As or Export. This allows you to save or export your balance sheet as either a PDF or an Excel file, convenient for sharing or filing for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully created a balance sheet in Xero. This powerful tool provides you with a detailed overview of your financial position, crucial for making informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.